So today we finally have the Azure Knight. No, actually, believe me or not, the Horn Review event has arrived. And this means for us. Look, the Azure Knight. Finally have it. This means for us that we can finally test out our new powerful Alexander 14 destruction ability. Now, we just got to claim these rewards. Why am I just saying destruction ability like that? I'll just take some of this. It's a really good event. Got a crap ton of items. I'm just lucky at that event. Now we gotta go rank mode to test this new ability out. Yep, Coco, my pet, little dog, is right next to me, being as annoying and weird as always. You know, she's just weird and annoying. Yes. Hey, look, you can already see it increasing. Dude, why is it so laggy? Please don't say get banned again. Yep. I'm gonna get a powerful hit. Get off. I'm gonna get a powerful hit. Powerful, dangerous hit. It's coming. Dude. Dude. Oh God. Dude, oh thank God. Like, dude. Why is my screen so dirty? Screen is so dirty. Doesn't look very good. By the way, I think Alexander 14's videos are sped up because the Azure Knight acceleration looks a lot faster in his videos if you watched him. But by the way, Alexander 14 is retired, which kind of makes me sad. Oh God, dude. Dude. Why is my screen so dirty? Dude, I need to get a screen wipe. Remind me guys in the comments, screen wipe. Just type down screen wipe. Please, I really beg you. Just so I can remember. Plus, I need to kill that guy. Turn him to absolute shreds. Dude, yes. This is one powerful pet combo. I told you that this will destroy absolutely everything. Look, I died only once, but I read the deaths. Aren't you surprising? Don't mind me, it's just because I couldn't get a grasp on. Because my keyboard is so dirty. Oh yeah. Dude, I knew this. Yep, you're dead. That's just you. Oh, no, it's you. You're my teammate. Did you wreck my bed? And nobody wrecks my bed and gets away with it. Oh, okay. Yep, guys, so that's the end of the video. Absolutely wrecked this. This just makes me first. Will probably make me first all the time, like I just did now. Guys, this is definitely the best combo, just like Alexander 14 himself said. So guys, bye.